The other day, I started smelling sausage with peppers and onions. I went to my patio and I stood out there and I'm thinking maybe the neighbors were cooking it on the grill. Nope, that wasn't it. I just wanted sausage with peppers and onions. So I remember that Kroger's had a deal. They normally $6.99 and they were at that time $3.99 a package. So I picked up two. Got in that kitchen real quick, started cutting up me some onions, slicing me some onions. And I remember I had a pack of peppers, a 6-pack that I had recently just purchased. So there it is. I had all my ingredients. Onions, onions. I always have onions on deck. That's one of my favorite. Onions with everything, or almost everything. Are you one of them people that always has sliced uh, or diced onions in the refrigerator? That's me. I always keep the diced and sliced, and also sometimes I make sure I have diced jalapeno peppers in the refrigerator. There it goes. That's the Johnny Johnsonville. I have a package of the Italian mile and the hot sausage. Another one of my faves, bell peppers. I could just eat these, not the green. The green doesn't taste that good raw. But the red, the orange, and the yellow bell peppers raw, oh, they are so delicious. Okay, so let's go ahead on and get these peppers to the end result.
Forever is the strangest thing. It's shorter than you think. No think. Longing is the music of our spirit. The gift of life is never more or less. It starts at any time you like and ends in just a moment.
Yummy. Just the way I like them. We're going to definitely get rid of this excess grease. Don't need that. But don't clean that pan. We're going to use that residuals to fry up those peppers and onions. Okay, now we're going to pile this sausage with lots of peppers and onions. There you go. I like to share. Have a bite. And this is a vision that I had in my head. This is the moment I need to move over to my couch and turn on a good movie. Or do what I actually do, watch lots of YouTube videos. I was so hungry and the sausage was smelling so good, I forgot to put the mustard. Okay, now where are my chips? Here they go. Dill pickle. Okay, I'll get with y'all later. I'm headed to the couch.